Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Bluetooth devices with PocketBook InkPad 3 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to scroll down from top of the screen like that. Here's the Bluetooth icon, click and hold it. Then make sure that the Bluetooth is on and we can move on to our device. And now let's power on the headphones. Enter the pairing mode. And right here we want to click on search for BT devices. And one of these three options should be my headphones. Let's try to connect them with. Okay, here they are. And my headphones are connected. To remove them, you'll need to click and hold onto this. You will need to click and hold onto the device that you want to unpair or disconnect, and simply click on the unpair button. And they should be removed from this tablet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.